Hello, I'm Leah. Welcome to this guided rebuilding visualization for healing chronic pain. In the next few minutes, we'll embark on a journey of healing and restoration. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes if that feels right for you. We'll begin by taking a few deep breaths to help you relax and fully immerse yourself in this experience. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill completely. Feel your chest and abdomen expand. And now, exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress you might be holding. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. As you continue to breathe at your own pace, allow yourself to settle into a state of tranquility and presence. Now let the journey of healing begin. Imagine yourself standing at the center of a serene construction site. You're wearing a hard hat and sturdy work boots, embodying a sense of empowerment and control over your own healing journey. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with a sense of calm and renewal. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly, releasing any stress or worries. With each exhale, imagine you're letting go of any pain you might be carrying. Look around the construction site and notice the different areas that need attention. These represent the parts of your body that have been affected by chronic pain. You might see scaffolding, tools, and materials set up around these areas, ready for the transformation ahead. As you inhale, embrace a sense of hope and healing entering your body. Exhale any discomfort or tension that you're holding on to. Inhale renewal and exhale release. Focus your attention on the first area that requires healing. Visualize skilled workers representing your body's innate healing abilities as they work diligently in this area. Feel a sense of restoration and balance spreading through this part of your body. Take a deep breath in, drawing in the essence of healing and vitality. As you exhale, visualize any discomfort being carried away on the breath. Let's do this a couple more times. Inhale deeply and exhale fully, envisioning the healing process unfolding with each breath. Move your attention to the next area in need of healing. Witness the workers using beams of healing light and soothing energy to mend discomfort and pain. Sense the gradual fading of pain as the repairs are made. Inhale, counting to 4, feeling the gentle expansion in your chest. Hold the breath briefly, and then exhale slowly to the count of 6. As you exhale, imagine tension melting away, just like the repairs happening in this construction site. Continue this process, moving through each area that requires healing. Sense the relief and comfort expanding with each repair, like a soft wave of soothing energy washing over you. Inhale deeply, feeling the expansion in your chest and abdomen. Exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. Feel your body becoming lighter and more at ease with each breath. As we approach the end of this visualization, take a moment to appreciate the progress that's been made. Acknowledge the dedication you've shown to your own well-being and healing. Inhale a deep sense of gratitude for this moment of self-care. Exhale any remaining discomfort, letting it dissolve into the air. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you with stability and strength. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying with you a sense of renewal and well-being. Remember that this visualization is a tool you can revisit whenever you need to find solace and let go of discomfort. By practicing this guided meditation, you've taken a meaningful step toward healing and reclaiming your vitality. Thank you for joining me in this visualization today. May your healing journey be filled with light and restoration.